Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are on an 8-day climbing trip in Indian Creek, and I thought it'd be really fun to get some B-roll shots, so we will see how that goes. Today's day one. I hope you enjoy. Hello everyone, today is day 6 of our climbing trip. This is what I look like on day 6 of climbing. No shower, no brushing hair. I'm not excited to take my braids out. It's gonna be miserable. Right now I am sitting in the Forerunner. It's been about 5 hours now. My partners decided to go climb a tower and I wanted to opt out. 6 hours of crack climbing is pretty hard on your body, but it's been nice sitting here. I've been planning videos, reading, going through some of my footage, and I'm really excited about it. I got some really cool shots. Yeah, it's been really fun playing around with it. I really hope this video turns out well. Thank you for everyone who has stuck by me and has subscribed. I've been figuring a lot out, and I still have a long way to go, but I'm having so much fun. We are on day 7 of our climbing trip, and I just ascended a fixed rope for the first time. It was very tiring, but I did get some cool shots of Nathaniel on Big Guy. My battery died, so I can't look at what I got until I get back home. But I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, I think that's it.